friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Rifilwe and thanks for stopping by. So as you can already see by the title of today's tutorial, I'm bringing you kind of like a spotlight eye completion. I don't know, I hope you will keep on watching to see how all this is going to turn out. So please stay watching and remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also comment down below, share with me your thoughts, and stay watching. As you can see, all the colors are all blended together. At first I thought I was fucking up, so I pretty much like how it all blended out. And I mean, yo, let's take a moment. This look, it's bomb, especially that I've put this glitters on. It's just giving this look a very beautiful finish. I love it. I mean, where must I go looking like this? Where in this pandemic? Anyway, I hope you like this video, you guys, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Share with me what you think about this finish, and also check out my other videos on the icon. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.